Hey guys, James from Sikky Manufacturing. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step installation guide on how to install these Sikky test pipes for LS swaps in your G35, G37, 350Z, and 370Z. We're going to be using this LS swapped G37 behind me for the installation guide today, but these will work on all those chassis with the Sikky mount kit. Alright, as you can see in this particular installation, obviously the engine, transmission, even the stock LS3 manifolds and the factory catback system are already in place on this G37. So we're simply just going to show you how simple and easy it is to bolt in the Sikky test pipes. These test pipes were designed to mate the factory LS3 manifold or anything that shares that same flange location on any LS engine, connecting them to any catback or aftermarket catback system for the G37, 350Z, G35, and 370Z. As you can see, these are specific to the left and right hand side, so we're going to put the right hand side in first. Sikky tags facing in and the O2 bungs up here towards the exhaust manifold. So I like to start by getting the back flange bolted up first, just to help hold the weight of it while you go to the front. So take the provided gaskets and hardware, place that between there, and then start your first bolt and washer. At this point, you can just get them up on there so the flange doesn't fall, but don't worry about tightening them yet till you get the upper side on. Just makes it a little easier to maneuver the pipe around. So once that's on, then we can kind of center it out, make sure the flanges are located properly, and then tighten it up. All right, same process we did on the back. So we're going to connect the test pipe to the factory LS3 manifold. I'm going to take the gasket, get it up under there, raise it up, drop the hardware through, and get the washer and nuts started. Same thing, don't bother getting it all the way tight yet till we get the other one going. Front one's a little more difficult to reach. Alright, so like I said, you're going to get the flange centered on there and make sure the gasket's centered as well. And then get up in your, I like to use this wobble style socket, just makes it a little bit easier. And you're going to need to hold the top with a wrench just to keep it from spinning while you snug it up. And then do the same to the front. It helps to reach in from the passenger side fender wheel area just to get that wrench in there on the manifold on the top side. Alright, now those are tight. We're going to move to the back and tighten that up. Same process as the front. Make sure your gasket and your flange are aligned properly and centered out. These flanges come with a slotted flange for the bolt, so it gives you a little bit of freedom depending on what kind of aftermarket exhaust system you have. It just ensures that it'll match up with just about anything out there. So make sure you get them nice and tight so you don't have any exhaust leaks. These flanges are all machined flat after they're welded, so it ensures no gasket leaking issues as long as your existing exhaust flange is clean and straight. All right, last step on this right side before we move on to the left is install the oxygen sensor. Helps to put a little bit of anti-seize on those threads just so if you ever got to take it out again, make your life a little easier. Snug it up. And don't forget to plug it in, and we're going to secure this up and out of the way with a zip tie. All right, as you can see, that's a wrap on the installation for these test pipes. Pretty basic installation, probably take less than an hour. As you can also see, they fit perfect and bolt right up without any headaches, so it's gonna make your swap and your exhaust system a whole lot easier. To learn more about these test pipes or other Sikky products for your LS swap, make sure you log on to Sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.